Hello guys, today I've got a NOMAD Stratos Band and I'm going to show you how you can easily make it bigger by adding the links. So, at first you need to prepare your links. These links are actually from this band because I have removed them, but two extra links are in the box right here. When you open the box, you can see extra link right here in the box. In the box called half size adjustment links. So you can take it out from here, and now here we've got our links. So let me prepare them out first here, and we need to make, of course, the place for our links. So divide your band into two separate sections by unclipping this magnet. Wait a moment, by unclipping this magnet like this. And now here I've got this first part and here I've got this second part. So turn it upside down, this part over here. Let's start with this one. Turn it upside down, and as you can see here I've got this holes. I mean aside, not upside down, but you know. You need to put your resizer in this part right here for 2 millimeters in. Now as you can see, our clip came out. Our string. Here now we need to do the same to the second part on the second side. And now we've got it removed. Remember about the distance, 2 millimeters. Take the first link and put it like here, in here. How to do that? You need to, of course, put the first hole, the first part of the spring inside the hole, and the second part you need to align with the hole right here. Now you need to put the tension on the spring so that it will come in the link by putting your resizer, the second part of the resizer, on the spring like here, right here. Put it inside. And now we've got it here mounted. So we can now put the second part like this, and it works the same. Now you should hear a click, and now we've got it mounted. You can test it by doing something like this. So this is the first part, this is the second part right here. Of course we need to do the place, so put this resizer into the hole for 2 millimeters. Now we've got it removed. So the second part right here on the opposite is this one. Yes, this is this one. 2 millimeters. It's out. Okay, so it was not this one, it's this one. It's this one. I'm blind, sorry. And now we've got it divided for two parts. So what to do now? Of course we need to add this link. So, of course, the same process again. Like this. Remember to put this first string to the hole, the first part of the string to the hole inside, and the second part align with the hole which is outside. Now we've got it done. Of course we need to mount it now, just both parts. Here. Remember that if you want to mount another link, you need to add two links, not one, to the side, because it needs to be aligned symmetrically. Okay, I did something not that good. Something is wrong. Wait a moment. Let's put it back again. I need to stop talking so much and I need to just focus on the work I do. So now we need to push this inside, mount it, and now we've got it done. So that's it. Have a nice day and goodbye.